The owner of this home has lived here for several years, and she wanted to expand her outdoor area and also change the inside. She wanted to be able to open up her living space. It was cramped. It's a 1960s home. And so what you see behind me is a deck. This had been a porch, an uncovered porch with some Ipe flooring. We removed the Ipe flooring and were able to save it. And what you see behind me is a covered area. We also added 2 skylights because it tended to be a little bit darker than she wanted. That was a decision that we made while we were going through it. We were able to pivot away from the original contract to be flexible for our client. And farther behind me, those 2 sliding doors, that was a screened-in porch, and we created a 4 seasons room in that space for her to have a kitchen, den, and now an even bigger living area. The project has been going on for about 4 months. It's a little bit over $250,000. The client was wise and actually moved out of the home while this was going on because it was so extensive, and has gotten a small apartment, which was very helpful. Helped her not feel insane while the project was going on, and helped us be able to be really effective with our time and be able to do multiple parts of the home at one time. The main thing that I think people miscalculate when they think I can stay home during a project is when we do flooring. So when you refinish flooring, it's basically like moving out. You would need to anyway. And so she added flooring in some places. For instance, she removed a hearth and wanted to run the flooring there. And so her being out of the home allows us to do that to a completely different scale. We don't have to move furniture as we do that. So that factor alone helped her make her mind to leave and not be here during the project. Inside the den area of this home, the main thing that the client wanted to see happen through this transformation was the original living area seamlessly flow into the new glassed-in room. She wanted a flat ceiling. She didn't want there to be a header to show that there had once been a wall. She wanted it to feel as if it had always been there. So we worked really hard to create that space for her. She wanted to create a feature wall with some grass cloth wallpaper and a sitting area with a custom built-in banquette by her fireplace. And so we took out a corner of a wall by the fireplace to open up that traffic flow there. And so now when she walks into this space, her kitchen with her bar area, fireplace with her eat-in table, and her new sofas with these beautiful windows, it's all just going to flow seamlessly together.